Joining us is the man. He is a Kanaka that the Los Angeles Times wrote about, described him as a legendary surfer and world-renowned pioneer of techniques to rescue people from colossal waves. Anakala Archie Kalepa is here. Aloha, Anakala.
Aloha, you guys.
Legend.
Thank you for having me.
Legend, guys. We brought a conch shell. For every legend.
Again, mahalo for being here. Now, when the wave of fire hit Lahaina, you were one of the community leaders that everybody looked to help Maui heal. So we mahalo you for that, Anakala.
Thank you. Thank you.
That was, that's a little bit different kind of wave, yeah? You were surfing
definitely.
with that one, yeah?
You know, I wasn't there when the fire actually hit. I was in the mainland, but I flew home immediately. And seeing all of Lahaina gone was just heartbreaking.
Yeah.
But understanding the next phase of what needed to be done, just like, you know, I compared it to riding big waves.
Yeah.
It's about preparation, planning, and you know, being ready for the unknown. And we stood up the very first hub in Lahaina. A lot of friends, a lot of family were sending supplies, and we were just doing our best to help the community. Whoever needed whatever they needed, if we had it, we were giving it. And then we decided to start Ground Zero EOC, because the information that we were getting from the EOC on the other side of the island wasn't matching what was actually happening in Lahaina. And so when we did that, we were able to communicate with government about what was actually happening, what we saw, and it really helped kind of start the process of helping this community. We have a long way to go.
Yes,
We're
absolutely.
only 5 months in. The struggle is real, and every day, you know, we're facing real problems. Housing being one of them, mental health issues, and it's hard to explain unless you're living there. You know, you drive to the other side of the island. I live in Lahaina, where everything is, and then you drive to the other side of the island in Wailuku or Kaului, and everything seems normal. You know, I fly here and life is normal, but when you go back home, the struggle is real.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
And of course, the work is going to continue. There's a very big gathering, a unity gathering happening soon, yes?
Correct. So this coming Saturday, January 20th, is our Lele Aloha Ho'ulu Unity Walk. And you know, I'll be honest, we get a lot of questions like, why are you doing this? And I live there, and I see and I feel and what's happening, and we just need to come together. I need to see my friends that I never seen since the fire, because we're so busy trying to help, and everybody needs a sense of unity, regardless if we agree or disagree with what government is doing to help the people, but the people itself needs to see each other. We need to be with each other, and we need to walk in unity. But more importantly, we need the state of Hawaii. We need our family, our friends from all islands to come and be with us, to help uplift us and support us in a time when we're unsure of our heading, where we're going, how we're doing it, and how we're going to rebuild Lahaina. We just need people to stand with us.
And we also need hope, and we're so glad that you and your leadership and you're there at the forefront, kind of bringing everybody and kind of keeping Maui and Lahaina still in everybody's focus. And we thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
What time is the gathering on Saturday?
So the gathering, a walk will start at 8 a.m. There's, you can go on to lelealoha.org and scroll through our website, and you'll see everything that you need to see, where to be, where parking is, what time parking opens, and shuttles that will be taking you to the starting point. We also have all of the voyaging canoes, Hokulea, Mo'okiha, Hikeanalia, and Makali'i will be there.
Whew.
And it's pretty heavy.
Yeah.
And you know, there's things happening on the water, there's things happening on the land, and in the end, we all come together and meet at one place.
Yep.
Yes, mahalo Hanakala for being here with us.
Full
We
of mana.
appreciate you. And lelealoha.org, you can go get all the information there. Thank you again, Anakala.
Yes.
Archie
Aloha.
Kalepa with us.
We love you.